Hello, this is CP Addict, and in this video we'll be solving the problem shortest subarray to be removed to make array sorted. This problem appeared in bi-weekly contest 34, so let's get started. So in this problem we are given an integer array and we have to remove a subarray from array such that the remaining elements become sorted. So suppose this is the example 1, 2, 3, 10, 4, 2, 3, 5. So in this case we can remove only these three elements to make it sorted. Likewise, in this example we can remove any four elements to make the array sorted. So this array is already sorted, we need not remove any subarray. So suppose we are given an array A1, A2, A3 till AN. So we can observe that we can either remove a prefix, since we have to remove at most one subarray. We can remove a prefix or a suffix or some subarray in the middle. So we have to do these things in such a way such that the remaining elements are themselves sorted. So to remove a prefix, that means the remaining subarray will be some suffix and this suffix should be sorted. So for that case we can use the longest subarray or the longest suffix which is already sorted. So remaining elements will be removed. So suppose A3 till AN are sorted and A2 is that element which makes it unsorted. We can remove all the elements before A3. Likewise, in the case of a suffix, we can remove the suffix which makes it unsorted. So the third case is little complex. So suppose we have the same array and we have to remove the subarray in the middle, which is not at the either end. So suppose we have to remove some subarray in the mid. So suppose we remove this subarray. So suppose we remove this subarray, and then in order to minimize this subarray, we'll be interested in the first element that is greater than equal to A3, and from that element all the elements are sorted. So suppose array AN-1 is greater than equal to A3 and all the elements on the right of AN-1 are already sorted. So for that we can use the fact that all these elements are already sorted and we have to find the first element that is greater than equal to A3. So we can remove all the elements in mid. So we will be checking for all the elements from A1, A2, A3 and so on till the elements that are sorted, and for each element we'll be finding the element that is greater than equal to AI, and we'll try to remove all those elements in the mid. So first we find number of elements that are already sorted in the suffix. So let's suppose the number is denoted by RP and the last element from which all the elements are sorted in the suffix be denoted by J. So for all elements I equals to 0 to J, we are finding the first element that is greater than equal to AI. So we are finding this with function called lower bound, and when we find the index of that element we just try to remove all those elements, and by this condition we make sure that the prefix is also sorted. So the answer will be trying to remove the suffix, trying to remove the prefix and the trying to remove the middle elements. So that will give us the optimal answer. And that's all for this video. Hope you liked this one. See you in the next one. Thanks.